welcome back to This Is Zari. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Zariana. Today I am so very excited to show you guys, drum roll please. I am so excited for this unboxing. Arbria Creations uses natural, organic, chemical-free ingredients. Getting right into it, let's start off with this. This is a candle. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, what scent is this, honey? Red currant. This smells so good. It smells like fresh, like flowers and fruit, very like warm and yes, get into it. Come on, red currant scent. Let's go ahead and do the next candle that's in here, which is pumpkin spice, perfect for the upcoming holidays, for fall season. Oh yeah, this is it, pumpkin spice. Ooh, yes. Get me ready for fall, bring fall energy, fall vibes into my place. And when you burn the candles, it actually fills the room up with the scent. This ain't one of those cheap little no scented candles. This candle will have your entire room, the entire place smelling like pumpkin spice, smelling like red currant. Okay, these candles are quality for sure. Oh, now this is my favorite. This is my favorite right here, and I'm glad that it is in this box. The Guava Mojito Body Scrub. I'm gonna let y'all smell this one too. Go ahead, sniff right there. Sniff that right there. I told you. It gives like real fruity, tropical, like I'm sitting in the Caribbean island somewhere living my best life. This is what this is giving, and after a long day, this is just so needed. I can't wait to use this later. Okay, Guava Mojito. Ooh, let's check this out. The Rose Petal Soap. This is real like goddess vibes. This is what this is giving me, honey. Yes, definitely looking forward to trying this out later. This will probably actually be one of my first times really using the soap. I'm going to see how, or if I can even incorporate this into just like my regular daily cleansing shower things. So I will get back to you guys on this soap bar. Ooh, let's look and see what this is. I love to get into this. It's an herbal facial steam. Rose flower, hibiscus flower, chamomile, lavender, cornflower, calendula flower, orange peel. This must be new, okay, for the new products. Let me see. Oh my gosh, it's an actual like face steam. Wow, okay, an herbal facial steam. I am all here for this. I am so excited. I am definitely looking forward to trying this out. I might try this out tonight. I'm so excited. Ooh. As y'all can see, I'm excited. So let's just go ahead and move on to the next one because, honey, herbal facial steam, I didn't even know you had this, Yana. I didn't even know you had this. I am excited to try this out. So the last product I have here is the Whipped Body Butter, and I am always excited to use this body butter because it has your skin. It leaves my skin, I look like a nice, warm, crisp, golden brown honey bun, okay? That's how golden and smooth and shiny my skin looks. I got the vanilla scented one this time. Let's go ahead and give it a little smell. Ooh. You know what? This smells like chocolate. I'm not gonna even lie, this smells straight up like chocolate. Not only am I going to be looking like a glazed honey bun, I'm going to smell like chocolate too. Chocolate scent for this chocolate skin, okay? Y'all wanna smell this one? Y'all, nah, I'm not gonna, y'all, if you wanna smell it, you're gonna have to order for yourself because it smells like chocolate. It smells so good to me. So now we have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much to Arbria Creations. I'm very excited to try out all of these products. Oh my gosh, you have really made my day. You have really made my night because I need it, okay? And if you are interested in any of these products, be sure to head over to arbriacreations.com, or you can check out Ayana's Instagram at Arbria Creations. I will leave it on the screen here for you guys. But I gotta go, okay? I got some products to test out. I am very excited. It was nice talking to y'all, but goodbye, okay?